Hi everyone. In this video, you will learn how to create a vertical line in HTML and CSS. By the end of the video, you will have this sort of output. You can see I got a vertical line here and it's in orange color. So this is what we're going to achieve in this video. So let's get started. I'm using VS Code as my code editor. Let's create an index file here. Index.html. Let's have a basic HTML structure here. Add a link to the style sheet. It will be style.css. Here you need a div element. Give it a class vertical. Save it. Now create a style sheet here. Style.css. Select body element. Background color will be dark slate gray. Select vertical class. Give it a height of 300 pixels. Border left will be 5 pixel solid orange. Position will be absolute. Left will be 50%. Margin left will be -3 pixels. And top will be around 50 pixels. So that's all what you need to create a vertical line using CSS. Now just save it. Open this file in the browser to see the output. And that's the output. So I hope you understood how to achieve this. See you in the next video. Have a nice day.